In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your PayPal account address to another country. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to do it on your PC. However, you can copy the exact same process that I'm doing on the app. So regardless of which device you're using, you'll be able to change your PayPal account address to another country by the end of this video. So to start with, you want to head over to PayPal and log into your account. And from here, we want to go up to the top right corner and we want to look for this little cog, which will actually take us to our account settings. So from here, we get taken to this account tab, and here we can see a whole bunch of useful information, such as our name, our email address, our phone number, and also our address. Now, since we're trying to change our account address to a different country, we're going to go over here on the right hand side of where it says addresses, and we can simply click edit. Now, for some reason, the form's glitched out and it hasn't really loaded properly. And what you can do from here is just get rid of your old address and you can replace it with the new address that you're trying to add. So you want to just put in your first address line in here. You can then enter in the town/city in this box here. You want to put the county in here, and then finally you can enter in the postcode in here. Once you've added in your new address for the new country, we can go down to this button which says update, and when we click on that, our old address will now be updated with our new account address in a new country. So that's how you can change a PayPal account address to another country. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.